your help. I place all the product links in the description. The Ergodyne Arsenal 5032 Rolling Duffel Bag with Wheels is a top-quality bag designed to meet the needs of travelers, adventurers, and professionals. This water-resistant bag is self-standing and has a large capacity of 130 liters, which makes it perfect for carrying all your essentials while on the go. Construction and design. It is sturdy and durable. The bag is constructed using 1680D ballistic polyester, which is water-resistant and can withstand rough handling. The bag features a self-standing design that makes it easy to pack and unpack, and it comes with 2 large wheels that allow you to move it around easily. The bag also features a telescoping handle that extends to 42 inches, which makes it easy to maneuver the bag. Capacity and compartments. It is perfect for carrying all your gear. The bag features a spacious main compartment that can hold all your essentials, including clothing, shoes, and toiletries. The main compartment is easy to access, and it comes with 2 mesh pockets that help you organize your items. The bag also features 2 large front pockets that are ideal for carrying smaller items, such as documents, passports, and electronics. Water-resistant. This is perfect for use in all weather conditions. The bag is constructed using water-resistant materials, and it features a water-resistant coating that keeps your items dry and protected from the elements. This means that you can use the bag for outdoor activities, such as camping, hiking, and trekking, without worrying about your items getting wet. Versatility. Whether you are going on a weekend trip, a long vacation, or a business trip, this bag is perfect for carrying all your essentials. The bag is also ideal for use in outdoor activities, such as camping, hiking, and trekking, thanks to its water-resistant construction and large capacity. Conclusion. The bag is made from high-quality materials that ensure it is sturdy and can withstand rough handling. It also features a water-resistant coating that keeps your items dry and protected from the elements. With a large capacity of 130 liters, this bag is perfect for carrying all your essentials, making it ideal for travelers, adventurers, and professionals.